in Picha's Czech-American restaurant in West Texas, and you can see this is the place to be for lunch. This place is packed, and the reason it's packed is because of their great home cooking.
I'm Michelle Pavlos. Welcome to Czech-American restaurant. We've been in West Texas for 40 years. My mother started the business in 1980, and this is the dining area.
What are your specialties?
Our specialties are Czech food with the sausage and kraut with Czech fries, stuffed cabbage rolls, chicken and dumplings. We have a combo plate which consists of the combo with cabbage roll and sausage link, and they come with Czech fries, which are my mom's invention. They're potatoes fried on the grill with salt, pepper, garlic, onions, paprika, and some other seasonings that my mom came up with, and they're served with all the Czech dishes, along with our kraut, which is sweetened.
And I'm going to taste all these goodies later.
All right, thank you.
What do you need? This Daddy has inside the kitchen. We actually make it together. Just a second, please.
That is good home cooking at its best.
Well, thank you, miss.
Pork chop special, Brussels sprouts and salad and mash. Homemade bread.
Excuse me, how are you?
Sorry, dear. Sweet tea. Right here, unsweet.
Here is the salad bar. We've got kraut salad, we've got black bean salad, cucumber, pickled beets, pea salad, Brussels sprout salad, jalapenos, and of course your mandatory.
Hi, I'm Renee. How are you?
And where are we?
We are in Picha's Czech-American restaurant in West Texas.
What you got there?
Where like to go?
Homemade chicken noodle soup.
Beats Campbell's.
There you go, darling.
I'm like Renee, I know.
Renee. Yeah, Renee's taking it to Renee.